Okay folks, so for my ingredients I have 2 channel catfish fillets, old bag, panko breadcrumbs, a little mix of half and half cornmeal and flour, 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and I got a pan right here to cook it all in. Okay, so we're going to start with our catfish right here. And we're going to cut it into little chunk-sized pieces here. I'd say probably about the size of your pointer finger. So I cut the fillet down the middle, and I'm going to cut it in half again. It's Memorial Day in the Robinson household. And I caught catfish yesterday, so a piece about that big, catfish. And this is wild, fresh caught catfish. Got this on the island, Part Miller Island, yesterday. If there's any connective tissue on the fillet, you want to get rid of it. If there's any meats discolored, sure to note. Okay, so I have a little Okay, so I'm going to take the other fillet and do the same thing. Skin it. The fillet job last night was kind of rushed. Okay, so same thing.
Oh yeah.
This, folks, is my family. What can I say? But you love it, though. Just fillet down the middle, down the loin, split. Some of you might have heard this before. But we like to have fun in this family. It's amazing how many catfish nuggets one fillet can get you. Okay, so my catfish nuggets are all cut up. You know what I'm gonna do? Just gonna make a layer all over the plate. Take Old Bay seasoning.
Oh, we are doing it. Yes. She's now. She's not going to get them. I don't think she's going to.
You're amazing, Jacob. Amazing, Jacob.
Thanks, Amy.
Abby's very impressed with your how you cut that fish nugget. How do you help him?
It's funny.
You're gonna make a good husband.
Let's hope.
Not that you're thinking about that, but
This, folks, is what goes on daily in this household. So I got my catfish nuggets all nicely seasoned up for the Old Bay. I'm going to do half of them in panko and half of them in the cornmeal mixture. But first what we're going to do is we're going to beat up those 3 eggs.
See baseball game? That looks good. They did see baseball game?
I did in Madison.
What? You did not.
Egg wash is nice and stirred up.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Excuse my little cousins. Just running around having a whole field day over here.
Nana,
So many nuggets we have.
Yes.
is Alexis coming?
No, she's there for her dad in Virginia.
6,
She's coming 4th of July though.
8, 9,
What are we gonna do for 4th of July?
Okay, so
You
we're
get
gonna
Uncle
do
Richard to watch the parade.
5 and
Come
5.
here, go swimming, have some food, walk up to the fireworks.
Yep, I got all my cousins here.
So you want, guys, do you want to get out of the kitchen, go, like, so he can cook? So we don't want to get this dirty.
Yeah, that would be kind of bad. So I'm just gonna dredge these in pure egg wash. I don't mix any milk in. I'm just gonna add them to their different batters. First, I'm gonna cover. Make sure they're nice and covered, nice and coated. Let it drain off. And put it in the corn.
Don't you have to heat the pan up for you?
Oh, well, man.
Where are you going to put that when it's done getting breaded?
I'm just gonna lay on the outside plate.
That'll work. Okay.
So I'm just gonna toss this around. And some cornmeal and flour. I'm just gonna sit on the other side of the plate. And I'm gonna take another nugget. I'm gonna roll it in panko.
That's not nice. Michael. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that to my dad. I'll probably do that. Probably do that.
Okay?
Or Aubrey, you can get out
Now I'm gonna try to do this real quick.
That looks yummy.
Does this look good over here? Some fresh caught Chesapeake Bay catfish. This isn't the first, catfish isn't the first pick of anglers around here. I know for people down south, you guys go crazy over it, but up here people don't really like it.
Oh, it's still falling Oh!
Well, that's Memorial Day in this household. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4 more. Actually, 5 and 4 more, so I got 2 more left. I'm just gonna roll around the cornmeal. Stick it up. And then just roll around it. And then take these fillets, catfish nuggets, slap all that good stuff on there. They've already been pre-seasoned with Old Bay, so I didn't need to put any in the breading. That's easy. I got 5 pieces of catfish breaded cornmeal.
Seriously?
I'm going to add 4 more fillets to the panko, and then it's going to be oil time. Favorite time, fry time. Take this egg wash here. Let's put it in the panko. Panko might not exactly stick to it, but I'm just doing 2 recipes here to see which one I like best. I've been doing with cornmeal for a while, so I want to try a different method and see if I like it. I probably won't. Cornmeal is good. And our family moved up from Texas to where we reside in Baltimore in the 1950s, I think. So we have some of that south of us. We still do. It hasn't been quite bred out. The captain was born in Fort Sullivan. Ooh. Mix that good stuff on there. And I got 2 left. Just gonna come around a little bit and into the. We have a major cooking operation going on.
Here's the love seat, there's a console thing, and then there's another seat.
We're just gonna throw that around.
You know, if you think that thing's on the armor,
Then 1 last nugget into the batter. And this should be the last one.
a couple guys in my work, they had boots, they had Under Armour boots. And the boots like 4 or whatever, like 4 for a long while, like 4. Sent it back, they gave me.
The catfish has to bread it up. I got one little straggler here that I didn't account for. I'm gonna run him a cornmeal.
No, you give me a gallon.
Throw these little guys around, and then I'm going to let them sit and let the batter kind of the crust bread and kind of dry onto it. While I heat up our oil.
Because then he knows he can give you one.
I love cooking at a party. Not really, but it's good.
Are you serious?
Or you guys can have a
I
morning.
do something.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some oil to our pan. And we're just gonna use about that much oil. I don't know how much it is, I don't really do much measuring here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to light our stove and put it at about a medium-high heat. So we're gonna let that oil heat up. So the oil is popping nice, so it's time to throw in the fish. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes on each side, so it is time to take them off and drain them on a paper towel. Now, I'm going to do the same thing
I
with
want you to
panko.
see my Linus. I want you to see my Linus. Come see Holly's Linus and see what he does. Look.
Yes,
Linus.
I know they do. Nothing I make ever looks bad. Throw the catfish into the fry pan. The most rewarding thing about
Where's my hot dog? Hold on.
We're gonna give them 2 minutes in there. Then we're gonna do the same crap. Okay, folks. I'm gonna try these pieces of catfish. First, I'm gonna try the panko. Breaded catfish. It's all mine. I don't like to brag, but that tastes amazing. Panko's just crispy. Now I'm going to try the cornmeal. Catfish is so tasty. Now I understand why everybody in the South eats it. Catfish, cornmeal. That is quite tasty. I can't decide. They're both good, so you can't really screw up either way. They both taste amazing. So that should be it for now. Until next time, good luck on the water or in the kitchen. Tight lines, everybody.